Customers come to Bent River because we provide both custom-tailored design solutions and build-to-spec machinery to meet their unique needs. We have the expertise to deliver. As a small business, we have the flexibility and focus to intimately meet our customers' needs. We don't take a one-size-fits-all approach. Each project is a collaboration where we work closely with the customer to develop the right solution for their specific challenges. They can expect to work hand in hand with us throughout the project from start to finish. Companies like Raytheon Missile Systems, SpaceX, Siemens, and Amazon trust us to deliver high-quality, reliable machinery that integrates seamlessly into their production environments. Many of our projects involve highly sensitive and proprietary information, which is why we take strict security measures to ensure all customer data, designs, and intellectual property remain confidential. We've recently taken the necessary steps to gain the latest CMMC compliance, which is a cybersecurity maturity model certification, reinforcing our commitment to protecting sensitive information, especially for our defense and government-related projects. What truly sets us apart is our commitment to quality. We hold quality standards above all else, ensuring that every machine we design and build meets the highest level of precision, reliability, and durability.